how I make over $1.5 passively every day without actually doing anything. Now this is a one-time setup which you just do once, and every day you'll be making a minimum of $5 right up to $10. Now if you can check at the time, now it's just 9 a.m. and this is my earning of the day, $1.5. Okay, now this is very simple. Now the first thing you have to do is head over to this site called Jump Tax. Okay, now Jump Tax is actually a site that will pay you for doing certain things, and you can see that paying now right now for following. If you just go head over to x.com and follow this person, you will get 0.1 instantly. Okay, now there are hundreds of tasks which you can complete daily, and you can skip that if you don't want to do that. Now these are other bunch of taxes, from watching videos to following people on Instagram, Twitter. Now you have to turn your hobbies, your likes into money. Okay guys, for example, signing up on Binance will get you $5 just signing up. It means if you want to start in crypto, you just sign up on Binance. Or for example, this tax to do a search on Google, searching a word will pay you 0.02 just by searching certain simple words. Now if we scroll down over to the most popular tax, you can see from Binance earnings to Google search. Okay, now this is it. Even right up to watching videos, you have tax, and even playing games. You can see games here will pay you over $38. This game will pay you, this game for example will pay over $600 just for playing a game, guys. And this one will pay you, similar to Candy Crush, will pay you $5. And that is how you make money. Now for example, today's video, like watch to earn, you have over 21 tasks which will pay you 0.2 cents. That is a little bit low, but if you have enough data, you can just watch that for, I think it's 1 minute or 30 seconds, something like that. And the best way for me to earn using this app is actually using Honeygain. Honeygain is actually an app where you install and you get paid for your data usage. Now the first thing you have to do is head over to Honeygain. The link will be left in the description box or the comment section. You sign up, then you link your Honeygain account with your Jump Tax. Now this is to make sure that anytime you're browsing, you'll be making money, guys. That's simply how I am able to make money. Now to show you how this is actually working, okay, now I have to let me first of all head over to my wallet. This is my wallet. Okay, let me refresh. As you can see, this is my wallet. I practically have just 0.3 3 US dollars, and this is my BNB wallet. Nothing much. Okay, and this is the next one is my Jump token. This is Jump token. Okay, if I go head over to history, okay, you can see now my Jump token is actually nothing is there. Then if I head over to Jump token Cello, then I head over to history, nothing also there. So right now I'll be heading over back to do a withdrawal. Okay, so I'll have to do a withdrawal to show that this is actually working. The first thing I'll do is click on payout. Okay, before that, let me just go to my history section. Okay, you can see this is my view of payout. Okay, to show you that I'll be making money from this thing. So this is it. This is it. So back then the prices for one token was $3, so an average of this was just something like maybe 3, 4, 5. So this is the payout, and as of today the current price is one Jump token is $1. So I'll be doing a payout, I'll be doing a withdrawal. I'll be using the Celo network. I don't recommend this bet because I know the Binance margin is a little bit expensive. I will not be getting enough of my money, so I'll be taking Celo network, where I'll get a huge payout with little fee. So I'll take on payout and transfer in progress. So I'm waiting. That doesn't mean notification that I have received that deposit into my account, guys. So this does not take much time. So I head over to rewards. Okay guys, you can see my account just went to 0. Okay, so if we head over here, minimum withdrawal is just $0.5, guys. So you don't need to make up to $1 to do withdrawal. From 0.5 you can start making your withdrawals. So if I head over to withdrawals, okay, I think it's payout, if I'm okay. Yeah, this is it, guys. This is it, October for 2025. So this is one of my second accounts since I have multiple accounts. So you just have to do this, and let me refresh. This is it, guys. I'm just getting $1.5 just from browsing, and this is it. Celo network Jump. And okay, the price now is over $1.04. So if I head over to my history, this is it. The transfer just came in, and you can see everything is refreshing now. And the other transactions, if I head over to Jump token Binance, I hope this also refresh and shows my previous history. So this will not show, I don't know why. So you can see that this thing at one point was over $2.3. So it's paying. So that's all about this video, guys. So for the next part, you have to do is understand that you can swap this. So since I withdraw using the Celo network, I'll head over to the swap section. Now I want to withdraw that. Withdrawing is not possible with this network. Okay, so what you have to do is swap your token to Celo itself. So what I'll do is I'll select Celo. I'll change my network to Celo. I'll change it to Cello. Then I'll select this is it. I'll select jump Cello to Cello itself. Select Cello again. Yeah, so I take Cello. So what I'll do is I'm converting everything to Cello. So max how much I'll pay, arbitrage and the rest I'll be getting 4 Cello for this. So I am buying the Cello and I approve. So this is what they'll charge me. And my Cello, I have 0.019, which I'm confirming the swap now. And as it guys, the swap has been done. I'm waiting for my transaction details to be sent to my wallet, which now I can either withdraw my Cello to an exchange where I can trade my Cello. So you can see now guys, boom, that's it guys. I'm just on having 4 Cello for actually free by not actually doing anything. This is a one-time setup guys, remember. And there are multiple networks like this, which there are multiple apps out there which lets you install them for free, and you just like you normally browse onto 1 or 2 tags and you're getting a huge amount of pay. Okay guys, so that's all for this video. See you next time.